Friday is our speaking day, reading and speaking. So before we go ahead, as I have given you the task of yesterday to speak up on a topic, and that's what daily routine. I believe that all of you have completed with the homework and you're going to speak up over here. So who's that first person who's going to start now? Today is the time
Um,
that you are going to speak up in front of the camera.
um,
Oh, so Rohit is there. Rohit is saying yes, I'm going to speak up. Is that clear, Rohit?
yes, sir.
Ah, that's amazing. Can you please come on the camera? Turn on it. Turn it on faster. Handsome Rohit. Yes.
Sir, can I start?
Actually, voice is lagging, my dear.
Oh, sir, network issue. Poor network. I have poor network.
Okay, okay. Oh, poor network. All right. Still, could you please start? I want to listen to you.
Yes, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rohit Kunjir.
Good. Yes. Rohit, you are mute.
Pardon?
Actually, you are mute. Start now.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Start now.
Yes. I usually wake. I usually wake around 5:30 morning. Then I have. Then I brush my teeth. Then I have my pre-workout. Then I have pre. Then I have pre-workout meal. Then then I'm going. Then I go to gym till 7:30.
Hmm.
Then I come back to home. Then I have post-workout meal. Then I get to prepare for my college lecture.
Good.
I
Then I go to.
then I have
Then I then I
lecture.
then I attend lectures.
Then I have attend lecture between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 3 p.m.
Very good.
In between lecture, I have mm, I have 1 hour of break uh, between uh, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m.
Good.
After after lecture end, I after lecture end I am
I
free.
relax for some time. Good.
Yes.
I relax
After
for some
lecture
time.
end, I relax for some time. Then
Very
I
good.
have then I have in then I prepare for then I practicing on English lecture, practicing on English. Then I have lecture. Then I have English lecture at 4:45 p.m.
Good.
till 6 p.m.
Very good. Then yes.
Get out with my friends for time pass.
Good.
Then I out for some time with my friend.
Very good.
Then I have dinner at 9 p.m.
Yes.
After then, and then I uh, talking with the family for some time. Then I go. Then I go out for. Then I go out for walking. Then I go on platform for walking with friends.
Good.
Then after then I then 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 I chat with friends and time passing on social media.
Okay. Okay. I surf on the internet. I surf social media.
So social media. Okay.
Yes.
Then then I go then I get bed at
I go to
11.
bed.
I go to bed at 11 p.m. And
Very good.
yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir. I done.
Thank you. Very good.
Welcome.
See, Rohit, you are really going very good. And I believe that this is the first speech you are going to give in my class, and it is really awesome. I believe that just in 1 month more, you are going to speak faster and faster, and you are going to do it amazing. Just get confirmed with your internet connection first. Point number one. Apart from
Yes.
this one, would like to tell you that whatever you are speaking, it is really good at the beginning level. Just within some 20 to 25 days, at least you are speaking over here. I'm really happy for this one.
Yes.
And I believe that you are going to correct all the points and going to speak like a foreigner. Is that clear?
Yes.
That's really amazing. Inshallah. So you're going to speak amazing. And I believe so you're going to rock and roll in future, and you're going to become a good public speaker as well. Now, I would like to suggest you
Thank you,
that
sir.
start reading daily, reading and listening, just for 10 to 15 minutes reading and 10 to 15 minutes listening. That's it. 2-2 3 3 घंटे का बैठ के अभ्यास विभ्यास वो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा बिल्कुल भी, बिकॉज आई नो करते भी नहीं और करना भी नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि इतना ज्यादा मतलब है नहीं, हेक्टिक नहीं
Sir,
होना
you
चाहिए.
are
वी
not
शुड
audible.
स्टडी विद. हेलो.
Sir, huh.
हेलो.
Sir, hello, sir. Hi, yes, sir.
Yeah.
You can
I'm
start
just
from.
telling you.
Huh. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
telling you to have only reading and listening. These are the two tasks which are going to help you a lot in your speaking. Amazing. You're going to become a very good public speaker if you're going to do these two tasks. Okay, reading and listening. 10 to 15 minutes daily. 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes listening. That's it. It will give you a very great charm to speak English amazing. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, what listen like
See, have you?
songs?
I think I have given you that those audios, right? Tape scripts,
Yeah, yeah,
audios. Have you listened them?
yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah, just daily listen to
I
them.
listen that.
See, listen it 100 times, no problem at all. But those are the dialogues, those are the things which are going to help you a lot in your future. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Keep up, and I'll give you some more tips at the end of this lecture. Means all of you, I'm going to give you some tips that how could you make your daily routine more amazing. All right, so that you can make it amazing to speak up in front of the people. Just 1 minute, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm so sorry for this one. Yes. So I believe that Rohit, you're going to speak amazing in future as well. Please, good luck. Have a good luck. Good.
Thank you,
Keep
sir.
up. Keep up.
Can
Keep
I?
up. I'm really happy that you're in the first session. In the first session of speaking, at least you're speaking something. I'm really happy for this one. बिकॉज जनरली पहले क्या होता था कि लोग मेरे क्लास को 3-3 महीना बैठते थे. पहले 6 months का कोर्स हुआ करता था जिसमें फुल टाइम पास होता था क्लास का. बट अभी वैसे नहीं. बट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू हियर 3 months प्लस सम डेज मोर एक्स्ट्रा that I'm going to announce today. आज मैं announce करने वाला हूँ वो चीज को. It is a great surprise for all of you. Second thing, now I'm going to give you some great tips of speaking English, जो कि बहुत ही worth है. Okay, so just let me see at what certain period and certain level are you to speak up English well. Next one, Zubair bhai, can you please come on the camera?
Yes.
Nice. Zubair bhai, French bhai.
Yes.
Nice to see you, Guzaver bhai.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah. Same here. Yeah,
Good.
good evening,
I
ladies.
can't see him. I can't see
Uh,
Zubair bhai.
actually, Rohit, I think you have some internet connection problem, my dear.
Okay, okay, okay.
That's
That's why.
that's why you couldn't see handsome Zubair bhai.
I will share my photo. So it's a note.
Yeah.
He'll send you the
I
photo.
had I
Okay.
had see you. I have
Oh, he
seen
had
you.
seen you before.
Yeah,
Good. That's good.
yeah,
Okay, Zubair
yeah.
bhai, can you please start?
Yes, yes, sure. Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zubair Sheikh. I'm a software engineer. Today I'm going to share my daily routine. Let me speak about my beautiful day. Today I'm going to discuss my daily life. So I usually wake up at 8:30 a.m. Then I go to washroom. Then I do the teeth brush, and I take a bath. It takes minimum 30 minutes, and including all. After that, I do the wuzu and make a fajr salah. Then I read Quran with meaning. Okay, then I open my office laptop and log in it, and then I do the connect my daily stand-up call with my client, and it takes minimum 30 to 40 minutes. Then I go to breakfast. It takes 20 minutes for complete. Then I again I go to I do connect a daily call with my colleague and discuss about my work. Then I start my daily work till 1 p.m. Then I go to mosque for Zohar Salah, and then I come back to home at complete after complete this Salah, and I read the Quran. It takes minimum 10 minutes. Then I go to lunch. It takes minimum 20 minutes. Then I read Quran. It takes minimum 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Then I go to lunch. It takes minimum 20 minutes. Then I open my laptop again and I log in at my office desktop through VPN connector. Then I resume my office work till 4:30 p.m. Then I make Asa Sala at home. Then I join my daily English speaking classes. Then it takes 1 hour. Then I go to mosque for Maghrib Salah and then come back to home. Then I read a Quran. Uh, uh, so just I have written in my notepad. So that is
That's
so
that's good.
yes, I go to mosque for Maghrib Salah. Then I come back to home. Then I read Quran. Then I have snacks and rest for a while. After that, then I go to mosque for Isha Salah. Sorry, I one missing. I open my personal laptop and I do the practice on my existing skills, technical, for half an hour. And I go to mosque for Isha Salah. Then come back to home within a 14 5 minutes. Then I read a Quran. It takes 10 minutes. Then I go to dinner at 9 p.m. It takes 20 minutes. Then I use my mobile for a while, in which I prefer YouTube like that, etc. Then I spend some time on my personal laptop instead of mobile for searching something different. Then I go to sleep at 12 a.m. and before sleep I read some Quran ayat, etc. So my weekend activity is there. This is all kinds of same thing, daily routine in my weekend. So here is I speak here some daily routine which has only happened in the weekend. And I go to the market to buy some mutton and other stuff for my home for a week. Then I meet my friends, society friends, in the night at 10:30 p.m. where I go with them in a car for a tea and spend some time with them and then back to home. That is all my daily and weekend routine, which I speak very true. That's it.
That's really great. Zubair bhai, one thing is there that see, such you are mashallah very talented man as well. I can say, as I've noticed you in this last month, that as you have been with me for a month. So I just believe that rather than reading from there from your notepad, why don't you speak from yourself? See, you have spoken, you have written. See,
No,
I believe
yeah, yeah,
you have written this, right?
yes, yes,
You yourself has written it. You have
yes,
written
yes,
amazing. There are some mistakes which are going to get covered in this month only, because we are going to learn the
yes.
good grammar, we're going to learn there's some punctuations, vocabulary, and there are many other things as well. So I just would like to suggest you, rather than reading from there, you can just do one thing. I'll give you one more tip. Please, all of you, have a look here. The moment when you're speaking English, there secret is there. If you're taking a topic now, for example, I'll give you the topic of daily routine, right? You're speaking
Yes.
about daily routine, so just do one thing. You can make bullet points. You can make bullet points and just try to elaborate them naturally. The way you are speaking, it is good. The way Rohit was speaking, it was really awesome. I can say that but you have to just elaborate them. For example, generally what do I do? In the morning I wake up around 5:30, then I perform ablution. Ablution means what? Wuzu. Then I perform ablution, then I go to pray, then I prepare myself sometimes, then I have a shower, then I prepare myself for my English classes, then I go to my office, then I teach there, then I work there till 12:30. Then about 11 o'clock, about 12 o'clock, sorry, about 1 o'clock I have lunch. Then with my colleagues sometimes I have fun, sometimes I exchange some their communication thoughts and all with them. I enjoy it a lot at my atmosphere at my company as well. Then sometimes I do some extracurriculum activities in my office. About 5:30 I just leave my job and I get back home around 6 o'clock. Then I have a siesta for some time, or sometimes I have snacks. You can just speak up naturally. I think my means the way I'm speaking over here, so you are just feeling it and you're speaking it. This will give you amazing, great hike in the country, in the company, sorry, that you are speaking naturally. So one day you'll become a manager and you're going to represent the whole company in front of the stage. Are you getting the points?
Inshallah.
So it is really awesome
Yes.
the way you have written. So just do one thing. So all of you, just do one thing. Daily routine is there. Just do one thing. Write down the bullet points. For example, morning activities. So you can just talk about all the morning activities. You're saying that, for example, I recite the Quran, then I perform ablution, then I have a shower, I have breakfast, I log into my laptop, I log in into my company. There are many other things. So you can just talk about the morning activities. Then you can talk about your lunch break, bullet point of lunch break. Then you can talk about your company activities. You can talk about your colleagues' activities. You can talk about night activities. You can talk about your dinner activities. You can talk about your weekend activities. Means what? Ultimately, you're going to speak up on 3 to 5, 5 to 6 bullet points, and you're going to explain them. It will become really amazing. Okay. So by the way,
Inshallah.
you've spoken
Yes.
really amazing. I really liked it. But next time, I want you to be speaking, okay, rather than reading.
Yeah, right.
Keep a bite. It was your
Thank
first time, right? All of your first time is there.
right.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yes, Wajid bhai, please come in the arena. Good.
Yes, yes.
That's good.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Wajid Qureshi. I'm an engineer. Let me speak about my beautiful day. Today I am going to discuss my daily life. I usually wake up around 5:30 a.m. Then I go for pray. After pray, I go to the morning walk. Then I brush my teeth. Then I have a shower. Then I have a breakfast. Then I have a read about trending technologies. Then I have prepare myself for office. Then I go to the office 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then I come home. Then I have some snacks. Then I have rest of some time. Then I attend English classes. Then I out with my friends. Then I have a dinner with my family. Then I watch TV for some time. Then I go to the bed and sleep. Thank you.
Wow. That's short and sweet. 1 minute half finished. That's really amazing. That's really good. Like this, you can give in a company. So it was really amazing. I liked it. Only some grammatical mistakes are the Wajid bhai. Otherwise, it was really amazing and quite natural. I hope you were speaking right because your video was freezed.
Yes.
Yeah, that's really good. So I would like to tell you only one more thing that you can elaborate if you want so. But for company, this much is enough. Suppose, for example, if you're going for an interview and if they are asking you in HR round, if they're asking you, can you please tell me about your daily routine? Why would they ask you such questions? Why would they ask you such topic to speak up? Do you know why? All of you, do you know why? Because they want to check your English, they want to check your grammar, they want to check your pronunciation, they want to check your sentences formation, and they want to check about your speaking skills. So if you want to grow amazing and if you want to crack the interview, you should have good communication skills and you are going to speak amazing. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is what I want you to tell that Abdul Wajid bhai, that you have spoken really good and you have spoken very short and sweet. I really liked it. For the company, it is just mandatory that you have to give short and sweet. It is really amazing. उसको ज़्यादा लंबा खींचना भी नहीं है क्योंकि वो लोग को बोर नहीं होना चाहिए उधर. Just within 1 minute, you're just telling them the bullet points and you're finishing there. Point number 2, if you're sitting with the friends, at that time you're going to elaborate each and everything. So you can just go there and you can have it. By the way, I have one personal question to all of you. क्या मैंने आप लोग को ये क्लास के अंदर बताया स्टडी करना कैसे? बचपन का सबका
No.
प्रॉब्लम है ये.
No.
कितने लोगों को ऐसा हो रहा है कि भाई स्टडी करने में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है, फिर कोई भी स्टडी रहने दो, यही नहीं, इंग्लिश ही नहीं, कोई भी वर्ल्ड की कोई भी स्टडी रहने दो, आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होती है पढ़ने के अंदर, या फिर आपके बच्चे लोगों को होती है, आपके भाई लोगों को होती है, बहन लोगों को होती है. I'll give you today a great tablet of studying that you will never ever forget, and you will feel. अभी ऐसे कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लगता है, यार मैं कितना बड़ा होंगे यार, मेरे को यार स्टडी करने नहीं आता है, यार मैं स्टडी नहीं कर पाता हूँ यार, अरे यार कितना बड़ा छपरी यार, मेरे को तो कुछ याद ही नहीं होता. मेरे को याद होता है, याद करता हूँ, इंटरव्यू में जाके भूल जाता हूँ, याद करता हूँ मैं, एंड एग्जाम में जाके भूल जाता हूँ. ऐसा होता है आप लोग के साथ में?
Yes.
Sometime yes
समटाइम्स
होता है.
ये यस होता है, एग्जैक्टली होता है, समटाइम्स होता है. दैट्स रियली गुड. आई गिव यू
मतलब
अ
करता ही
वेरी
नहीं.
ग्रेट टिप टुडे दैट यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इट हियर. अब मुझे एक बात बोलता हूँ मैं आप लोगों को, लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई
सर
गिव यू, या माय डियर,
मैं अभी, हाँ, architecture को हूँ ना, तो हमारे कैसे फर्स्ट ईयर से शीट्स वगैरह है, पूरा 3 साल हो गए पूरे शीट्स पे चलता है, तो 2 सब्जेक्ट ही रिटर्न पेपर वगैरह रहते हैं. तो 10वीं के बाद साइंस लिया. तो अभी तक ठीक से मतलब नहीं पढ़ा ही नहीं, इंग्लिश की वजह से. इंग्लिश
अच्छा
है,
अच्छा
इस वजह
अच्छा
से
अच्छा.
अभी तक मतलब पढ़ा ही नहीं. सिर्फ 11वीं 12वीं इसी निकल गई, मैथ्स का सिर्फ किया, नहीं किया. फिर आर्किटेक्चर को गया तो शीट्स, जूरी वगैरह वो हमारा प्रेजेंट करते हैं ना, प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह, उससे ऊपर ही ये चल रहा. अभी तक मेरे रिटर्न पेपर भी बैक है.
ओ आई सी. चलो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, देखो हो जाएगा वो भी, टेंशन लेने का नहीं, बिल्कुल भी टेंशन लेने का नहीं,
Yes,
हो जाता है वो.
yes,
I'll give you, see, if I give you one more thing like this,
yes, yes.
my dear friends, that if I give you 5 numbers, for example मैंने नंबर दिया, next, if I give you 5 numbers, A B C D E, okay, if I give you 5 numbers and if I give you 5 words, अभी जैसे कि A पे है A पे अंसार, B पर वाजिद, C पर रोहित, D पर जुबैर, और E पर उमेर. उमेर बाबा आज एब्सेंट है, देखो लटक गए बाबा. Suppose if I give you like this, after a certain period of time, maybe after 1 month, 2 months, if I ask you, अरे थर्ड पे कौन था? थर्ड पे रोहित था? नहीं नहीं नहीं, उमेर था क्या? नहीं नहीं अरे दूसरे का पहला क्या, पहले का तीसरा क्या, तीसरे का क्या, एग्जाम में करते थे ना, दूसरे का पहले क्या, दूसरे का तीसरा. अरे यार मैं तेरे को बोला दूसरे का तीसरा है, तूने क्या करा, तीसरे का दूसरा लिखा क्या, बहुत बारी फेल हो गया. You forget it after a certain period of time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Exactly. I'll give you today the tip, great tip that you're going to salute to the tip. आप बोलेंगे क्या चीज बोला यार इसने. I'll give you the tip that if you have some words like this, if you have some numbers like this, you will never forget them. You will never forget whatever you have studied. इसका एक एक्सरसाइज है, 2 एक्सरसाइज है उसकी, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. If you have something problem like this, then you are going to be the star now. Do you know why? Because I'm going to give you a great tip about it, that how to study at home and how to study any subject in English, any subject, or you can say any language. How could you study and how could you remember them easily? Now I'm going to give you here 5 numbers. Okay, मैं आप लोगों को कुछ पांच numbers देने वाला हूँ. With those 5 numbers, I'm going to give you here 5 words. Is that clear? I'm going to give you here 5 words, and on those 5 words, I'm going to make some stories. आज हम लोग हमारे दिमाग का टेस्ट करेंगे कि अपन कितना अच्छे हैं. आज आप लोग को जो आपके ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है क्या यार मेरा दिमाग इतना अच्छा नहीं है यार, आप भी बोलोगे अरे यार मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ, मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ, मैं इतना सब कुछ जान सकता हूँ, मैं इतना सब कुछ याद रख सकता हूँ, मतलब मेरा दिमाग बहुत पावरफुल है, आप लोग को आज लगेगा. So now the exercise is starting now, that you have to close your eyes, and I'm going to take 5 numbers, and on those 5 numbers I'm going to take 5 words. मैं 5 words लेने वाला हूँ. Okay, on those 5 words I'm going to make a story. मैं एक story बनाने वाला हूँ, जो story के अंदर आपको खुद को assume करना पड़ेगा. You have to assume yourself in that story. Okay, you have to assume yourself in that story, and at the end I'm going to ask you the questions and answers, and let's see how our brain is powerful. We're going to see today. Okay, so now today I want you to come on the camera. Jaldi. No cheating, please. Come on the camera and you have to listen to me. All right, that's really good. तीनों लेजेंड सामने मेरे. Now you have to just close your eyes. Okay, no cheating please. जब तक कि मैं आपको बोलता नहीं हूँ, जब तक कि आप लोगों ने ओपन नहीं करना है. एंड रोहित कैमरा नहीं, आईज बंद करने का. Okay, you have to close your eyes, and I'm going to tell you 5 words. I'm going to take 5 rhyming words on 5 numbers. I'm going to take 5 words on them, and I'm going to make a story on them, and then you are going to assume in that story yourself. All right? Clear?
Yes.
Good. Let's get started. Now I'm closing my eyes. Please, you also close too. No disturbance, okay? 1. मैंने वहां पर लिया एक नंबर 1. 1. I've taken the number 1. 1 के ऊपर मैं एक word ले रहा हूँ. I'm taking a word on the number 1. Fun. 1. Fun. 1. Fun. मैंने उसके ऊपर एक rhyming word लिया 1 के ऊपर fun. Fun का मतलब होता है मजा. Okay? Story बनाता हूँ मैं, and just try to assume yourself. Just try to imagine yourself in that story. That you yourself is there in the story. So 1. Fun. Fun. 1 के ऊपर मैंने word लिया fun. Fun मतलब मजा. Sunday का दिन है. On Sunday, you went to Sarasbag with your family and you played there in the grass. Balloon. You played balloon in the grass. You had fruit. You had fruit with your family. You saw there fish in the water. In the water in Sarasbag, you saw there fish. You played there balloon in the grass. You had fruit with your family and you had a lot of fun. 1. Fun. Fun के ऊपर story मैंने बनाया हूँ. That you went to Sarasbag on Sunday with your family. You played their balloon in the grass and you saw fish in the water and you had a lot of fun and you had fruit as well. Okay? Good. 1. Fun. Next. 2. Number 2. I'm taking number 2. 2. Zoo. 2. Zoo. 2. Zoo. I've taken the word on 2. Zoo. Zoo, animal zoo होता है ना? Yes, that zoo. 2. Zoo. Animal zoo is there. अब zoo, कातरेज का zoo मैंने ले लेता हूँ. On Thursday, you went to Katrej Zoo at 4 o'clock in the evening with your friends. With your friends, you went to Katrej Zoo on Thursday at 4 o'clock. Katrej Zoo, you went there with your friends at 4 o'clock on Thursday. You saw there many animals like tiger, cheetah, leopard, peacock, snakes, caterpillar. Okay? You saw there tiger, cheetah, snakes, caterpillar, peacock, and many other animals you saw in the zoo. 2. Zoo. On Thursday at 4 o'clock in the evening, you went with your friends to Katre Zoo and you saw there the zoo and you saw there some animals. Tiger, cheetah, leopard, peacock, snakes, and many other animals. Next. 3. Number 3. I'm taking a word on 3. Tree. Tree मैंने word लिया 3 के ऊपर. A mango tree is there. I'm making a story now. A mango tree is there. On that mango trees, there are new ripe mangoes are coming. Now new mangoes are growing there. And you saw the mangoes and you're tempting now. अब आप ललचा रहे हैं. You are feeling to have those mangoes. अब आपका दिल चाह रहा है कि आप वो mangoes खाएं. You're feeling to have those mangoes. The moment when you climbed up the mango tree, you found there was a monkey. जैसे ही आप लोग चढ़े वो ट्री के ऊपर, आपने वहां पर देखा there was a monkey, and the monkey was having a banana. The monkey was having a banana, and you tried to get a mango. You tried to break a mango from the branch of the tree. Mango आपने वहां से तोड़ने की कोशिश की वो शाख के ऊपर से, वो ट्री के ब्रांच के ऊपर से. The moment when you tried to break the mango, get the mango from the branch of the tree, the monkey slapped you and you fell down directly. और अपन मारवीर खा के गाल लाल पीला हो गया अपना और अपन घर को चले गए. So 3, there's a mango tree. There are many mangoes. You climbed up the tree. You found there a monkey. The monkey was having a banana. And you tried to get the mango and the monkey slapped you. And then went home crying. रोते रोते घर को चले गए. 4. Number 4. Shore. Seashore. Seashore मतलब समंदर का किनारा. Shore. Seashore है. Shore. समंदर का किनारा है. अबू धाबी दुबई अबू धाबी का बीच है. नाइस. कड़क. आहा. On Friday at 2 o'clock. On Friday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you went there with your girlfriend and you are enjoying in the water. आप पानी में enjoy कर रहे हैं. Wow, nice, awesome. 2 o'clock, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Dubai. You went there 2 o'clock on Friday. On Friday with your girlfriend, you're enjoying there, you're playing there in the water, and suddenly you found there was a crocodile. ओए पड़. ये चप्पल विप्पल लेके उधर से भाग रहे हैं आप. धपाधप. Then you ran away from with your girlfriend. This is what? Shore. Seashore पे थे आप लोग. अबू धाबी के सीशोर पे आप लोग खेल रहे थे. अचानक में वहां पे कौन मिला? Crocodile. You were playing in the water. You took your sandals and ran away from there with your girlfriend. Friday के दिन. Next. 5. Last one. 5. Number 5. The word is there, hive. 5. Hive. 5. Hive. 5. Hive. Hive मतलब यानी शहद का छत्ता होता है ना, हनी बी हाइव. या
Yes.
हनी बी हाइव. एक हनी बी हाइव है. मैं एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ. कैंप आजम कैंपस. कैंप में आजम कैंपस है. वहाँ पे डेंटल बिल्डिंग. उसके ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा हनी बी हाइव लगा हुआ है. ऑन सैटरडे का दिन है. नाइस. आप लोग शाम को कैंपस में घुसे. आपने देखा पूरा कैंपस खाली था. You found that the whole campus was empty, and you went there at the dental building. You found there honeybee hive. आपको honeybee hive दिखा, and you wanted to have that honey from the hive. What you did? You took a stone and you thrown up into the honeybee hive. वहां से जैसा आपने पत्थर मारा, सब मक्खी उधर से उड़कर आपके मुंह पे आकर बैठी. आपको काट के लाल पीला कर दी. हनी तो खाने को नहीं मिला, पर अपने को शहद की मक्खी ने, हनीबी ने बहुत काटा. रोते हुए अपन घर को गए. So 5 hive on Saturday. Whole campus was empty. You went there in the campus in the evening and you found their honeybee hive on the building of dental building. You found their honeybee hive and you thrown there the stone, and those honeybee, they came on your face and started biting you, and you came home crying. Finished. Please close your eye. Please open your eyes slowly. Yeah, done, Zubair bhai. Good. So I've taken 5 numbers. I've taken 5 words. Then on those 5 words, I've made some stories. मैंने उसके ऊपर कुछ stories बनाया था. Now I'll be asking you one number. You have to tell me the word. 2. 2 पे कौन सा word था?
Zoo.
Very good. मैंने आपको नंबर पूछा, आपने मुझे डायरेक्टली वर्ड बोला. ओके. श्योर कहाँ पे था?
5.
4th. 5. 4th.
करेक्ट. 4th पे था. वेरी गुड. मैंने अभी आप लोग को वर्ड पूछा, आप लोगों ने मुझे नंबर बोला. 1 पे कौन था?
Fun.
करेक्ट. 1 पे था फन. हाइव कहाँ पे था?
5 पे.
करेक्ट. 5 पे था. मैं आपको नंबर पूछ रहा हूँ तो आप लोग मुझे वर्ड बोल रहे हैं. अब मैं आपको वर्ड बोल रहा हूँ तो आप लोग मुझे नंबर बोल रहे हैं. मतलब अपना दिमाग चल रहा है. वाओ. अब मैं आपको ना वर्ड बोलूंगा, ना मैं आपको नंबर बोलूंगा, मैं आपको ना स्टोरी बोलूंगा. स्टोरी के अंदर का एक छोटा सा कंटेंट बोलता हूँ. देखेंगे आप लोग पहचानते क्या. बनाना कहाँ था उसमें? कौन से नंबर पे था बनाना?
3.
Third.
Exactly. Correct. It was on the 3rd number. 3 number पे 3 पे था. Why? Because on 3 there was a
Mango.
On the
Tree.
tree.
mango tree. Correct. And
Tree.
mango tree पे कौन था?
Mango tree पे monkey.
Monkey
था. monkey के हाथ में क्या था?
Monkey have banana.
Banana.
करेक्ट. देखो मैंने भी आप लोग को नंबर भी नहीं बोला, मैंने आपको वर्ड भी नहीं बोला, मैंने आपको स्टोरी भी नहीं बोला. मैंने स्टोरी के अंदर का एक छोटा सा कंटेंट आपको बोला और आप लोगों ने देखो डायरेक्टली मुझे पूरी चीज बताया. भाई शपथ रोहित, आपला डोका चाललाय राव.
चले तो नहीं गया.
माइक बंद करके बोल रहा था मैं.
So this is exactly This is what exactly you're going to learn. I'll tell you one more thing. इसके अंदर आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें डाली है. देखते हैं भी आप लोग वो कंफ्यूजन को झेल पाए कि नहीं. इसके अंदर मैंने हर नंबर के अंदर एक एनिमल रखा था आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए. फिश कहाँ थी? कौन से नंबर पे थी फिश?
1.
एग्जैक्टली, ही इज राइट. फिश 1 पे थी क्योंकि 1 पे कौन था वाजिद भाई?
Fun.
Fun.
करेक्ट. एंड फन में क्या था?
Sarasbag.
करेक्ट.
सारसबाग.
सारसबाग में क्या था?
Fruit and
Fish थी.
fish.
करेक्ट, फ्रूट थे और वहां पे फिश
Fish.
थी वाटर के अंदर. अमेजिंग. मतलब मैंने आपको एनिमल भी याद है. अच्छा, उसके अंदर वाटर कहाँ कहाँ पे था?
Sarasbag में.
Sarasbag.
वेरी गुड. और
so,
Water, fish in
4th पे
water.
था, सी शोर पे था.
करेक्ट, वाटर
Four
फर्स्ट में
पे
था. और फर्स्ट में कौन था? फन था. बराबर ना भाई?
Right.
फर्स्ट
Right.
था. और फोर्थ में भी था. फोर्थ पे कौन था?
4 पे sea था.
तो
Shore
sea
था.
श्योर था. और
Crocodile था.
वहां पे था. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली, क्रोकोडाइल था वहां पे. ओके. सेकंड में एनिमल कौन सा था?
Monkey.
क्योंकि सेकंड में
नहीं, zoo. Lion.
सेकंड में जू था.
Tiger.
करेक्ट.
बहुत
वहां
सारे
पे
एनिमल्स.
टाइगर था. देन
Tiger,
Leopard.
lion,
लेपर्ड
monkey,
था.
leopard.
वेरी गुड. स्नेक था.
Snake.
Am I
वेरी
audible?
गुड. या यू आर ऑडिबल माय डियर. यू आर ऑडिबल. आई एम लिसनिंग यू. वहां पे बहुत सारे एनिमल थे. ओके, नाउ 3 पे कौन सा एनिमल था?
Monkey.
Monkey.
एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि 3 पे कौन था वर्ड?
Tree.
करेक्ट, ट्री
Tree.
वाज देयर. एंड
Mango tree.
करेक्ट, मंकी वाज देयर. मैंगो ट्री वाज देयर. ओके,
Monkey.
5 पे कौन था?
Madhuba.
5 पे honey wait.
Hive.
करेक्ट.
Hive.
करेक्ट, 5 पे था हाइव. एंड उसके ऊपर कौन सा एनिमल था? हनी बी था.
Honey bee.
Honey bee.
Very good. मैंने सबके अंदर क्या किया? और फर्स्ट पे कौन सा एनिमल था इन वॉचर?
Fish.
फिश
Fish.
वाज देयर. अभी मैंने आप लोग को कंफ्यूज करने के लिए मैंने आप लोग को उधर कुछ नंबर्स भी डाला था. सॉरी, कुछ डेज के नाम भी बोला था. फ्राइडे कहाँ था? मेरे को बोलो जरा.
Pardon?
वेयर वाज द फ्राइडे?
Friday.
Friday on 1st.
Abu Dhabi.
Sunday.
एग्जैक्टली, ही इज करेक्ट.
Friday Abu Dhabi.
अबू धाबी में था फ्राइडे. फ्राइडे था अबू धाबी में. एंड इट वाज व्हाट? 4. अबू धाबी में था फ्राइडे. अबू धाबी में था फ्राइडे. इज दैट क्लियर? तो यहाँ पर था, मैंने यहाँ पे लिया था फ्राइडे. गुड, ही इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. अच्छा, ये जू के अंदर कौन सा डे पे गए थे अपन?
Wednesday.
Sunday.
Wednesday.
Thursday.
वेंसडे नहीं आया था. एग्जैक्टली, थर्सडे था. जू पे थर्सडे था. ही इज राइट. जू पे था थर्सडे. अच्छा, संडे कहाँ थे हम लोग?
Fun.
Sarasbag.
करेक्ट, सारसबाग था. सारसबाग में था अपन संडे के
Sunday.
दिन. अच्छा, फैमिली कहाँ थी अपनी?
Sarasbag.
Sarasbag में थी.
फैमिली सारसबाग में थी अपनी. अच्छा, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ कहाँ गए थे अपन?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
हाँ, अबू धाबी में गए थे. हियर इट वाज व्हाट? गर्लफ्रेंड. ओके. एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहाँ गए थे अपन?
Friends के
Tree
zoo.
पे.
Zoo.
Tree. Zoo.
जू में गए थे. करेक्ट,
Zoo.
जू में गए थे अपन फ्रेंड्स के साथ में. अच्छा ठीक है, अपन ने मार कहाँ कहाँ पे खाए थे अपन ने?
Saturday.
Tree.
सैटरडे के दिन खाए थे. और सैटरडे कहाँ था वो?
Saturday honey का था.
Tree.
करेक्ट, हनी बी के
Honey.
जगह था वहां पर था सैटरडे. वेरी नाइस. और वहां पे अपन ने क्या हुआ था वहां पे? अपने को
वहाँ
हनी
पे
बी ने
पत्थर
अपना
मारे. Stone.
करेक्ट, स्टोन था वहां पर. स्टोन भी था एक वर्ड वहां पर. वेरी गुड.
Right.
वहां पर सैटरडे था. रेड रेड हो गया था अपना फेस.
Right.
फेस, रेड फेस
Stone
वाज
था.
देयर. मैं लिख देता हूं इधर. रेड फेस वाज देयर.
Monkey
ओके.
ने भी
और
मार.
मंकी ने भी मारा था. एग्जैक्टली, मंकी ने
Monkey
मारा
ला.
था. अपन कहाँ पे थे? नीचे गिरे थे, you know.
Yeah. Climb on tree.
करेक्ट, यू क्लाइम द ट्री. ओके, वहाँ पे और क्या क्या था? ओके, चलो मैं आपको पूछता हूँ. ओके, 1 में और क्या क्या था? आपको क्या क्या लगा वहाँ पर फन में? वी वेंट टू सारसबाग on
Water.
Sunday with
Fish.
family.
Grass.
Fruit. We had a fruit.
Very nice. Fruit. We had their fruits.
Fruit. Grass. Balloon.
Correct. Grass was there.
Yeah. We
Next.
played with balloon.
Balloon was there.
Family.
Balloon were there. Family was there. What
Yes.
else? What else? What else? And we had a lot of fun. Okay, zoo में हम लोगों ने देखा था leopard, tiger.
Yeah.
Okay, at what time did we
Four.
go to the zoo?
4.
Correct. We went to there 4 p.m. अबू धाबी कितने बजे गए थे अपन
4 p.m.
सी शोर पे?
2 o'clock.
Correct. 2 p.m. we went there. Very nice.
2
क्या
p.m.
बात है, मजबूत चल रहा है दिमाग यार. सुपर्ब ट्री का ज्यादा लंबा नहीं था ना स्टोरी?
No.
हनी बी हाइव देयर। ओके, ये यहाँ पे कौन सा बिल्डिंग था हाइव के
ये
ऊपर?
dental.
करेक्ट, इट वाज व्हाट?
Building.
dental building. Saturday
In
was
the
there,
evening.
and
In the
in
evening.
the evening we
In the
went there.
Yes.
करेक्ट। अभी मुझे एक बात बोलो आप लोग, यू टेल मी नाउ। अभी आप लोगों को मैंने खाली एक 5 मिनट के अंदर छोटा सा बताया, इतनी बड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लोग को दिया, आप लोग को एक भी आप लोगों ने मिसमैच नहीं किया। आपने ये नहीं बोला फिश वाज देयर ऑन द ट्री एंड लायन वाज देयर इन द वाटर।
water.
Water.
Right.
बोला क्या आप
What?
लोगों ने? आई हैव
No.
गिवन यू ऑल द 5 नंबर्स विद द एनिमल। 4 पे कौन सा एनिमल था?
Crocodile.
करेक्ट, क्रोकोडाइल वाज देयर।
Right.
Yes or no? So ultimately this is what our brain. तो सोचो अपना brain कितना powerful है. Just you have to do one thing. I'll tell you that if you want to study anything like this, you can study it easily. For example, take a word and try to relate it with someone. I'll give you an example. ये vocabulary पढ़ने का सीखने का फंडा है कि ये ध्यान में रखना, भूलना मत इसको कभी भी. I'll give you one more example. See, अब आपको ये word पता है क्या? Do you know this word? Barbarian.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. अरे barbecue नहीं. Yes, barbarian. What do you mean by barbarian? पता है आपको ये word कभी सुना है आप लोगों ने? वाजिद भाई?
Barbarian, I think Caesar cut. I think.
No, I'm asking barbarian. रोहित भाई, barbarian?
नहीं,
नहीं सुना है, right?
bartender.
ओ अरे दारू गुरु.
वो गाने में सुना है हनी सिंह के, बारटेंडर को बोलो जी।
ये तो सब मालूम, नहीं ये तो सब समझ में आ रहा है. ओके, बारबेरियन जो है ना, इसका मतलब होता है जंगली. क्या होता है इसका मतलब? जंगली. अभी हिस्ट्री के अंदर सबसे खतरनाक जंगली आदमी किसको बोला गया मालूम है? चंगेज खान को. जब कोई भी मैं ये वर्ड सुनता हूँ ना, बारबेरियन, मेरे को एक ही चीज याद आती है, दैट्स व्हाट चंगेज खान. I'll give you one more example. The word is a cruel. Cruel का मतलब क्या होता है? दुष्ट, जालिम, है क्या नहीं? अब क्रूअल का नाम कभी जब कोई भी आपको मिलेगा ना डिक्शनरी के अंदर, अक्सर देखो आप लोग क्रूअल के आगे आप लोगों को वहां पे किसका नाम मिलेगा?
Hitler.
Adolf Hitler. This is the relation. ये आप लोगों को रिलेट करना है वर्ड को, so that you can understand. I'll tell you one more thing. Now, what do you mean by stingy? Stingy मतलब? वाजिद भाई, stingy meaning? जुबैर भाई, stingy meaning?
No idea, sir.
Okay, रोहित भाई, stingy meaning?
नो आइडिया सर.
Stingy का मतलब होता है कंजूस. Next, miser. What do you mean by miser? उससे बड़ा
No.
कंजूस. And what do you mean by rigid?
Chindi.
चिंदी. हा कड़क. अब ये आप लोगों को याद रखना है. ओके वाजिद भाई, अभी आप लोग को ये याद रखना है. तो आप लोग याद कैसे रखेंगे इसको? मैं आप लोग को एग्जांपल देता हूँ. क्या करने का, ज्यादा लोड नहीं लेने का. You have to just relate this word to a person and you'll never forget it. आप कभी जिंदगी में उसको भूलेंगे नहीं. I'll give you an example. अभी आपका फ्रेंड सर्कल है, उसके अंदर से आप लोगों को चिंदी कौन लगता है, तो आपको याद आएगा राजू. वो चिंदी यार, वो चिंदी आदमी राजू. तो राजू से याद रखने का स्टिंजी. आप लोग कभी वर्ड भूलेंगे नहीं. जब कभी आप लोग को राजू दिखेगा ना, आपको एक वर्ड याद आएगा, स्टिंजी. और इससे आपने उससे बड़ा चिंदी कौन है? बोले इमरान. हाँ, उसको नाम देने का माइजर. इमरान जब कभी आपको दिखेगा ना, तो ये माइजर. और रिजिड, सबसे बड़ा चिंदी उमेश. अब आपको जब कभी उमेश दिखेगा ना, तो आपको याद आएगा, अरे बाप रे, रिजिड. आपको याद रहेगा. रिलेट करो उसको. आप रिलेट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, यू विल गेट इट. इट इज द इजीएस्ट वे. अब मैंने एक वर्ड को देखो, एक नंबर को मैंने कहाँ से कहाँ रिलेट करके क्या क्या डाला है उसके अंदर. एक में डाला मैंने फन के अंदर कितना कुछ डाल दिया मैंने, कितना सारा चीजें है. आप एक भी भूले नहीं. यस नो?
Yes.
दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली. आप लोग एक ही चीज को क्या कर सकते हैं, रिलेट कर सकते हैं. डू यू नो वन मोर थिंग? आप में से कॉमर्स कितने लोगों ने पढ़ा है? कुछ पढ़ा है कभी? इकोनॉमिक्स
Yes,
पढ़ा है
no.
कभी?
Yeah, myself.
वेरी गुड. इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर आपको पता है, मैं कभी मेरा फेलियर कभी किसी से छुपाता नहीं. व्हाई? बिकॉज माय फेलियर वाज द की ऑफ माय सक्सेस. आई बिलीव सो. व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 12 इन द सेमेस्टर एग्जाम की एग्जाम होती है ना अपने मिड टर्म,
Yes.
I got failed in economics. इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर मैं फेल हो गया. इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट टाइम टू फेल. मैं हमेशा वैसे पास होता था, पर ये टाइम मैं फेल हो गया डायरेक्ट इकोनॉमिक्स में. वो बैठा मेरे दिल को धक्का. At that time studied economics like this only. And do you know one more thing? I've scored the highest in economics later on in the final exam. उर्दू में भी मेरे को इतने मार्क्स नहीं मिले थे जितने मेरे को इकोनॉमिक्स में मिले. Do you know how? Because मैं आपको एक सिंपल सा सिस्टम बताता हूँ. अभी अपने वाजिद भाई is also a businessman as well as he's an engineer. Monopoly. आप लोग को ये टर्म पता रहेगा मोनोपोली का.
Yes.
What do you mean by monopoly? जुबैर भाई को तो
Service.
मालूम रहेगा. Not exactly. मोनोपोली किसको बोलते हैं? सिंपल सा वर्ड है.
Monopoly is our rule.
इट्स अ रूल एक्चुअली. करेक्ट.
Yes.
बट मोनोपोली के अंदर होता क्या है? मोनोपोली एक बिजनेस का ऐसे टर्म है वेयर वी हैव ओनली वन सेलर एंड मल्टीपल बायर्स. वेयर वी हैव वन सेलर एंड मल्टीपल बायर्स. इसको बोलते हैं मोनोपोली. इसको बोलते हैं मोनोपोली. मल्टीपल बायर्स एंड ओनली वन सेलर. मैंने क्या किया मालूम आप लोग को? पूरा एग्जाम जो था मेरा, पूरा इकोनॉमिक्स मैंने ऐसे कन्वर्ट किया. अब मैं मेरे भाई का काम करने के लिए जाता था मार्केट. सो व्हाट आई डिड देयर, आई रिलेटेड द होल मार्केट इनटू इकोनॉमिक्स. वहां पे मैंने क्या किया, मोनोपोली को नाम मैंने दिया. वहां पे एक दुकान था, गीता सेल्स. मार्केट के अंदर एक शॉप था, गीता सेल्स. वो गीता सेल्स जो था वो सबका बाप था. वो सब उसके पास से माल लेते थे, सब उसके पास से मटेरियल लेते थे. अब वो जो था मैंने उसको नाम दिया मोनोपोली, गीता सेल्स को. आपको याद है मैंने उधर खाली एक बार कंसेप्ट पढ़ा, वन सेलर मल्टीपल बायर्स, मैंने ध्यान में बिठा लिया मोनोपोली मतलब गीता सेल्स. पूरा लिखा मैंने उसके ऊपर. ओनली यूज योर ब्रेन एंड रिलेट इट. आप कभी भूलेंगे नहीं, कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. अब जैसे कि चंगेज खान का नाम आता है विद दैट बारबेरियन, क्रूअल आता है हिटलर के साथ में. सेम केस. अब मैं आपको एक और वर्ड देता हूँ, ऑपरेसर. ऑपरेसर मतलब ऑपरेसर जालिम, जुल्म करने वाला. जालिम रहता है ना, जुल्म करने वाला, उसको बोलते हैं ऑपरेसर. अब ऑपरेसर जुल्म करने वाला, उन लोगों ने क्या किया, कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हैं. तो आपके नजर में जो भी है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल
साहूकार.
ओके, साहूकार, कॉलोनल गद्दाफी. ओके, अब मैंने इसको ये नाम दे दिया. अब मैं कभी ये वर्ड भूलूंगा ही नहीं, कॉलोनल गद्दाफी का. ऑपरेसर, जुल्म करने वाला. तो अपन ऐसा उसको कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हैं, कुछ भी आपके हिसाब से उसको रिलेट करो. दिस इज व्हाट द पॉलिसी ऑफ लर्निंग. यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट एनीथिंग. एंड डू यू नो वन मोर थिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई एम जस्ट इरेजिंग इट नाउ. मैं इसको सबको भी इरेज कर रहा हूँ. इरेज्ड. मैं भी इनको इरेज कर रहा हूँ. मैं सबको भी इरेज कर दिया मैंने. आई एम आस्किंग यू नाउ. नाउ जस्ट प्लीज आंसर मी. ओके, अब मैं आपको पूरा मैंने इरेज कर दिया, सब हटा दिया वहां से. अपने को बोलकर भी कम से कम 15 मिनट हो गए. आई एम आस्किंग यू वन क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू आंसर मी दैट. द सिंपल क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू ओवर हियर. सिंपल क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू. मैंने क्या क्वेश्चन छोड़ा है उसके अंदर से भी. You tell me. उसके अंदर चप्पल कहाँ थी? चप्पल का नाम कौन सी स्टोरी में कौन से नंबर पर आया था?
अबू धाबी.
सैंडल, चप्पल.
अबू धाबी सी.
Abu
Exactly.
Dhabi. Seashore.
He is right. And where was Abu Dhabi?
Seashore. 4.
Correct. कहाँ पे था वो? कौन से नंबर पे था?
4.
Correct. It was number 4. नंबर 4 पे था सी शोर पे था अबू धाबी. और अबू धाबी में क्या
Crocodile.
कर रहे थे अपन?
Crocodile था.
एंजॉय कर रहे थे पानी में. वहां पे से जब क्रोकोडाइल आया, करेक्ट, जब क्रोकोडाइल
चप्पल
आया
लेके भागे.
तो अपन ने क्या किया अपना,
चप्पल लेके भागे.
हाँ, मतलब है नहीं आपको, मतलब है नहीं कितना डीप का आपको मैंने बोला और आपको अभी भी याद है. मींस दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द लर्निंग ऑफ सिंपल स्टडीज. आप जाके सबको बताओ ये. नहीं, सामने वाले ने आपको किस दिया ना, कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलेंगे ओ माय गॉड क्या बोला यार तूने, अरे आगा आई शपथ, अरे तूच है माझा भाऊ. ये ले, दिस इज व्हाट एग्जांपल, गेटिंग इट? So this is what the way of learning a language, learning a vocabulary, learning vocabulary as well. कोई भी vocabulary आपको word लेना है उसको ऐसे याद रखो, आप कभी भूलेंगे नहीं उसको, कभी नहीं भूलेंगे आप उसको. Okay, now
Yes.
Now before we go ahead, I would like to give you today's headshot. आज मैं आप लोगों को पहला आज अपना जो मेन चीज है आज हम लोग वो करने वाले हैं. All right? कि आज हम लोगों को करना क्या है मैन. So today is what Friday, and on Friday we are speaking and reading. So first today we are going to have the session of reading. At least we are going to finish, and tomorrow means what? On Monday we are going to speak first, then we are going to go ahead. Is that clear?
Yeah.
I'll show you today how do we read in my class. हम लोग reading करते कैसे हमारे क्लास के अंदर. Yeah, reading. आज अपना session है reading का. So we have some rounds over here for reading and speaking. Is that clear? So let's get started. It's simple, very, very simple. Let me just take it down. Yeah, here it is. Reading session is there. Photos. Photos ये एक unit है हमारे. उसके अंदर आप लोगों को मैंने audio दिया था, याद है ना?
Yes.
सुना रहेगा आप लोगों ने audio के अंदर.
Yes.
Good. So this is what photos. Okay, photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and is a student. There are 10 short dialogues are there, and we are going to read those dialogues. Okay, over here with stopwatch. हम लोग क्या करेंगे stopwatch के साथ में ये dialogues को read करेंगे now. All right. Now this is my car. Photos. 10 seconds के अंदर हम लोग को read करना है. So first we are going to read it simply. We are going to have some rounds. अभी अपने क्लास के अंदर reading का कुछ system है. System ये है. First round it is simple round. Simple reading करना है. Second round count down the time with the stopwatch. Stopwatch के साथ में आपको time count करना है. Next third round count down the time and find the mistakes. Fourth round count down the time and find the mistakes and kick out. Stop it. And next one simple reading, and then last one is what? Speaking. ऐसा 6 राउंड होते हैं. 6 राउंड के अंदर आदमी पूरा परफेक्ट हो जाएगा उसके अंदर. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम रीडिंग इट. प्लीज पे अटेंशन हियर. Photos. That S is very important. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. It's a Citroen. Citroen. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and is a student. जो मैंने highlight किया है उसके अंदर yellow. Students especially इसके साथ में mistake करते हैं. So you shouldn't commit a mistake over here with this. Okay, I'm reading once again. Please pay attention. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and is a student. Okay, good. Now simple reading is there. Zubair bhai, please start.
Yeah,
Simple reading.
photos.
No stopwatch.
Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's a very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She is from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He is from London and he is a student.
Good. Italy. Okay.
Yeah.
Wajid bhai. Wajid bhai, read please. Yes. Hello. You are not audible. Oh, he left. Okay. Rohit bhai, can you please read?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. Citroen.
Correct.
It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and he's a student.
Good. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and is a student. Okay. Good. Now you have to read. Italy. वो इटाली नहीं है. लोग बोलते हैं उसको इटाली, but which is wrong. You must say this. Italy. All right, my dear friends. Now we are going to have the second round over here, which is count down the time. So you are going to speak up with a stopwatch. अभी आपको stopwatch के साथ में. All right. Good. So 10 seconds you are going to have the time. 10 seconds के अंदर आपको ये read करना है. For example, photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and is a student. Hello. I'm so sorry. मैंने वो लॉक किया था, वो दूसरे वाले आते हैं. Now you can join. Sorry. Join. एक्चुअली वो सेकंड नेक्स्ट आपके बाद की जो बैच आती है ना, वो आके जल्दी घुस जाते हैं ना अंदर, इसके लिए मैंने लॉक कर दिया था मीटिंग. वाजिद भाई को आने को नहीं मिला उधर. Okay. Now, so 10 seconds. Let me just lock it.
सर
Sorry.
क्या कॉल
Yeah.
आ गया है ना सर, वो ऑटोमेटिक म्यूट ही हो जा रहा है, मेरे को पता भी नहीं चल रहा है, मेरा साउंड बाद में से रीड कर रहा हूँ, आ नहीं रहा है साउंड.
Okay, no problem. Okay, just you can just start it now. Start with the simple reading. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and he's a student. Start now.
Yeah. Yes. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's a very old. This is my flat. It's a very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and he's a student.
Very good. Wajid bhai, you're putting there some unnecessary. For example, he is from Italy. She's from Italy. He's from London, and it's a very old. There is no a. Okay. Just have a look and mind these highlighted words.
Yes. Yes.
Good. All right. So next second round is starting now with the stopwatch. All right. And the target time is what? 10 seconds. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. She's from London and is a student. 10 seconds. Gonna chatpat finish karna hai. Zubair bhai. 1, 2, 3. Start. Hello. Hello.
So I'm audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Now you're audible. Okay. 1,
Yes.
2, 3. Start.
Yeah, photo. This is my car. It's a short Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She is from Italy. Oh, this is my friend George. He's from London. He's a student, and he's a student.
Good. 11.09. 11.09. Please write down your timing with the pencil.
Okay.
Next one. Rohit bhai. 1, 2, 3. Start.
Photo. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's a very old. This is my flat. It's a very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and he's a student.
12.92. 12.92. Good. Wajid bhai. 1, 2, 3. Start.
Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's a very old. This is my flat and it's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and it is my friend George. He's from London and he's a student.
Good. 13.16. 13.16. Okay. So fastest, I think Zubair bhai is the second. First, Rohit is second, and third is what? Wajid bhai. All right. Now third round is there. You people are some committing mistakes. Okay, just have a look here. Photos. Photos. S is very important. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's a Citroen. It's very old. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. And this is my friend George. He's from London. He's from London and he's a student. And he's a student. Okay? Good. So Zubair bhai, third round is there. Count down the time and find the mistakes. All of you please open your ears clearly. Okay? अपने अपने कान खुले रखना है and you have to find the mistake. You have to find the mistake. आप लोगों को mistake find करना है. Bullshit. आईची शपथ. ये क्या हो गया? Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, now it is big. So you have to find the mistakes. आपको mistake find करना है. All right? Good. Zubair bhai, 1,
Yes.
2, 3, start.
Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nino. It's from Italy. Oh, this is my friend George. He's from London. He's a student.
What was the mistake? He said it's from Italy. Yes or no? भाई ने उधर it's from Italy बोल दिया. Okay? Yeah. Good. 12.41. 12.41. Please अपने अपने कान खुले रखो and just find out the mistakes. अंदर जबरदस्ती किसी के ऊपर निकालना नहीं. Hello? नहीं कुछ मैं ही बोल रहा था अब्बू कि वो यहाँ sorry. All right. Next one is what Rohit bhai. 1, 2, 3, start.
Photo. This is my car. It's a Citroen, very old flat. This is my from it, and this is George, London. He student.
Your voice is lagging a little. Rohit,
Yes.
Oh, yes, sir.
so sorry. Can you please read once again, okay?
Yeah,
1,
yes.
2, 3, start.
Photo. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small, and this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London, and he's a student.
Photo.
Good.
Photo.
फोटो पहला मिस्टेक भाई ने किया फोटो बोला ना
Photo.
मैंने आप लोग को एस करेक्ट
Okay.
इसके लिए मैंने वो एस जो है कैपिटल किया था फोटोज
Photo.
फोटोज सी
Photo.
12.77 गुड वाजिद भाई
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 स्टार्ट
Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's a very old. This is my flat. It's a very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's a from Italy. Oh, and it is my friend George. He's a from London and he is a student.
She is a.
major
She is a
mistake
from.
is there correct she's from Italy it's
Yes.
a very old
Hmm.
he's from London एक major mistake है वाजिद भाई you are putting that unnecessary so just get it rid of it okay so mistake is there का mistake है okay now guys we have done three rounds now fourth round is there count down the time find the mistakes and kick up okay kick up मतलब है नहीं जहाँ पे मिस्टेक किया वहां पे उसको गलत दबा डालेंगे अपन जगह पे
Yeah.
ओके जगह पे जहाँ पे स्टॉप बोला वहां पे रुक के मैदान छोड़ देने का उधर से ऑलराइट नाउ हु इज द फास्टेस्ट आप लोग में सब में फास्ट टाइमिंग किसका था
Zubair bhai ka-
जुबैर भाई का था सेकंड चैंप कौन था फिर आप लोग में
Rohit.
रोहित भाई
Nice.
ओके फर्स्ट चैंप जुबैर भाई सेकंड चैंप रोहित भाई थर्ड चैंप वाजिद भाई उमेर भाई तो आज लटक गए चलो जुबैर भाई द चैंपियन नाउ वन मिस्टेक नॉकआउट हाँ एक मिस्टेक किया डायरेक्ट रिंग के बाहर एक मिस्टेक किया डायरेक्ट रिंग के बाहर 1 जुबैर भाई गेट रेडी 1 2 3 स्टार्ट
Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is friend my George. He's from London and he's a
थैंक यू दिस इज फ्रेंड माय जॉर्ज and I think you said here it's a very old right
अरे बीच में वो आ गया था कुछ वॉल्यूम आ गया
ऐसे ही होता है बीच में आया तो okay out next रोहित भाई 1
Yes, sir.
2 3 start
Photo. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and he is a student.
right
nice no mistakes 13.03 13.03 good nice keep up okay yeah Wajid bhai 1
Yes.
2 3 start
Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's a very old. This is my flat.
It's a
It's a
very
very
old.
small.
it's a very
Stop.
old
It's a very old.
it's a very old
It's a very old.
It's a very old.
Okay.
yeah okay so fourth round we have finished and see अभी आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा रहेगा कि अपना रीडिंग कितना वीक है या फिर कौन से लेवल पे अपन रीड कर रहे हैं सी छोटा सा एक आर्टिकल है छोटा सा एकदम और उसको भी अपने को रीड करने के लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी आ रहा है सो वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन आवर रीडिंग आई विल गिव यू द टास्क दैट यू हैव टू रीड डेली 10 मिनट्स एटलीस्ट 10 मिनट्स का रीडिंग करो जस्ट आप लोगों का रीडिंग अमेजिंग हो जाएगा सो जस्ट डू द रीडिंग इन द सेम वे एज वी हैव डन टुडे सो टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स मैंने आप लोग को दिया है जिसको नहीं मिला है प्लीज टेल मी आई विल गिव यू द टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स वंस अगेन लिसनिंग एंड रीडिंग फिलहाल में इसका लिसनिंग और इसका रीडिंग करो Okay, because we have here good dialogues over here, and you're going to read like this only. Let's have one simple round list. Okay, just let me read once, then you're going to read one by one, one by one. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and he's a student. Yes. Start, please, Zubair bhai.
Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's a very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London. He's a student.
And he's a student. आपने भी वो
And
mistake
he's
किया जो वाजिद भाई ने किया था. It's a very old you said here. Okay, just work
yes.
on it. Bye. Next, Rohit bhai. One. Speak up. Start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Photos. Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. It's my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend. He's from London, and he is a student.
Good. Yes,
Yes,
Wajid
sir.
bhai.
Photos. This is my car. It's a Citroen. It's very old. This is my flat. It's very small. And this is my friend Nina. She's from Italy. Oh, and this is my friend George. He's from London and he's a student.
Very good. Okay, so already our time has up and other students are waiting. I'm going to discuss this next time and I'm going to show you how to speak up in English. Is that clear? So by the way, you have spoken very good and next time I want you to speak much more better than this one. Okay?
Inshallah.
Yes.
Yeah. Take care and keep watching the recordings and we'll see you on Monday. Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.